Papa, look who is on my tree. All summer I didn't see him. Look like a mini woodpecker. See, here we go. The woodpecker and his mate. It's just up. You can see him. They are a nice pair. Enjoy each other company. It's a nice 10 degree outside and very quiet. Kids went back to school September 6th, and here it's so lovely. Yes, one of them just flew down, but he is still up on the tree. Yes, it's a little bit chilly. I'll wait till the afternoon to go back on my bike because there's no smoke in Calgary. But how lovely is this guy? Observing the wildlife in my yard and taking video so other people that live in a big city cannot see them because it's all cement building. Wildlife is here in Calgary. Hope you like it because he's an interesting little bird. Yes. One with his tree. Look how beautiful. The sky is so blue. Amazing, huh? Nice. Wow, this is a tall tree. How lucky we are to live in Calgary. Such a nice place. So we're gonna say bye-bye. He's still here. Yeah, he's still there. You can see him. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Have a nice day. Mon petit oiseau. Ah, on est.